to our channel, and like every Easter I'm making a video about the basket I made for Asher. This year I'm not showing what I got for Shadow, my dog, but I'm showing everything that I got for Asher. And this video is also a collaboration with one of my good friends. She became a social media friend, but I feel like we know each other, we support each other, and it's so nice to have her support. So her name is Ana Andrea, and she lives in Vegas. I live in Utah, where we speak every single day. As I say, we became online best friends, share ideas, we support each other, like I say, and it's awesome, the friendship. She's showing to you guys also what she got for her 4 kids. So guys, she had tons of ideas, so don't forget, after watching this video, go watch her videos. I'll link everything in the description box. So let's go ahead and start this video. Okay, this year I am pregnant, you guys know. I didn't go over the top, but I got things that I know Asher will like it, and I know he's in the stage, the toddler stage, that he needs to be busy. So most of the things I got for Asher, it's just to make his busy. So I'm gonna start from the outfit I got for Asher. I got this romper for he wear. So it just comes yet. I just took it out of the dryer. So we are going to make a little photo shooting here at home. So I got this one for he. If you guys remember last year, I had one similar, but it didn't have sleeves and it was more like summer, and it was very difficult because he had to wear something inside, and then he didn't like it. But this one is more comfortable, and yeah, I'm gonna try to link this on my description box. It's from not from any brand. I got this in AliExpress. I also got a bag from Asher, and it's so cute because it's a customized bag, as you guys can see here. He has a little one of this, but I got this big one because he loves to wear bags, and we are planning trips, and I think it'd be so cute for him to have his own bag. With the bag, we also got this mini lunchbox. Guys, look at how adorable is this. And you can put the food here. This is the mini one. He also have the big one. And this brand, it's from EasterI. EasterI, it's a brand that customizes tags and bags and shirts for your kid, especially when you go to school. If you go to school and you want to customize a bag for your kid and the lunchbox with their names, I highly recommend EasterI. So affordable, have in so many countries, so you can even order in Asia, for example, and it's everywhere. So I'm gonna also link EasterI on my description box, so you guys can check it. Cotton candy, he never tried it, so I was like, I would never give candy to him. We're really afraid to give a candy, and we created a monster. But I got some cotton candy that he's going to share with me. So I saw this at the dollar store. It's called Hopping Toy, and I got the chicken one. So I think he'll be so happy when he sees this, because he just put it in, gonna hop, and he will love it. I got a mini ball. He is a little soccer player. He loves balls. Okay, his mom's from Brazil, so he loves to play with the ball. So I got also the dollar store. Went to Target, and I got this hat. Guys, this is so adorable. This was like $3, and we got this hat for him. Okay, going to the activity part that I told you guys, I was just thinking to get stuff that makes Asher busy, because he likes to do activities. So I was thinking about something that we can bring to, something that we can put few activities inside, and when we go to restaurants or when we go somewhere that I need to keep him busy, like I'm going a lot to the doctor because the baby, the pregnancy, and I think this is a awesome idea. I got this in Target. It's the travel stationery kit. Comes with 1 notepad, 40 sheets, and stickers, markers. He will love these, and I can put it in the diaper bag or even in his bag that I got it, and you know, he can play and be entertained for a while. I love the dollar spot at Target. It's not really $1, it's like 3 or up, but guys, they have so many cute things for celebrate holidays, and I got this. He will love it. I am sure he will love to paint this. I actually got two, the spring, and I got I'm pretty sure after Easter all these will be like 50 cents, so it's ideas that you guys can still take for after Easter. I got some chalks. He never played with those, so I think he will have fun. It's raining a lot in Utah, so I don't know when we can do activities outside, but it's washables. And I also got at Target for $1. This cup, I need to drink a lot of water because of the pregnancy, and Ash's been watching me and he wants to drink my water, and my cup's kind of similar, so I found this cup so he can use this cup and not drink my water because I need to drink how much water I drink. So this is really cute cup. It was also for $3 at the dollar spot at Target. I never done this before. I have no idea how to dye a egg, but I think this is a fun activity. I saw tons of videos and we're really excited to do this with Asher, so I got the cup. I still need to get the eggs, but this was from the dollar store. The dollar store, we also got the Play-Dohs. Guys, this pastel 4 packs of Play-Dohs, they're so cute. He loves to play with Play-Doh, so it's never too much. I also got the fluo neon, sorry, the neon. So this was $1. I got little eggs that I'm gonna put some crackers inside and some candy inside so he can open. He likes to call this a surprise, and he likes to open them, and it'll be funny. So I also got for Asher a book. It's called Bunny and Bear. Well, actually this book I got at the thrift store. I never get books at the store, or just if I need a specific book. For example, we are trying to buy books about potty training for him and about being a big brother, so I go to Amazon and I check books there and stuff. But we always do trips at the thrift store here in Utah. Of course, you sure has one in your hometown, and we find tons of books for the holidays. So every holidays we get a package, like we get a few, 3 or 4 or 5 books, and he loves books, and I think he will. This was another thing that I got at Target that I'm so excited. I love plants, flowers, and I wish I have a big backyard to do this. And I got this girl kit. Guys, I don't really know if this is going to work, but this is the strawberries, and I also got a berry tomato. I am so excited. He also loves flowers like mommy, and oh, I just can't wait for we have a place that we can grow plants and fruits. So I think he will love it. So I tried to bring little notebooks for him so he can write and he can draw and he can do whatever he wants. So I found at a dollar spot like little books. It's not even like from the holiday, but anyway, I always get this notebook so he can play around, and I also have one in my bag. Like I say, let's keep toddlers busy. So another thing that I got was this magnetic drawing board for $1. So he collects this thing. Like, we started go out, and every holiday we kind of collect this little toy. I don't even know how this called, but we have for Christmas, we have for Halloween and others. So I always get one of this for him, and he love it. I got this cute decor carrots to put in his basket, also from the Target. I got socks. Actually, I got 2 pairs of these socks. That's just $1. I got the Easter one, but we went to a Easter party for my husband's work, and he used, and just this one left. So I saw this in Target. I also saw this online on Amazon. I don't know if this worked, probably not, because it was only $5, but worth it to try. And it's a training watch. It's a party train. He's sometimes so interesting to go party train, but it's not something that we are forcing him. He's a boy, and we all know boys has later start on party train, and I'm not forcing anything. Whatever he wanna go, he goes, and I just got to see how he works with that. Okay, getting the end of everything, I of course had to get a Easter egg coloring fun book so he can color and have his stickers. He loves the stickers. Which toddler doesn't like stickers, right? So yeah, I think this is pretty much everything that I got for Asher. This year I didn't get a basket for Asher. He does still have the old 2 baskets I got for him. When I went to the thrift store, I got this big basket. I just had a tons of papers inside. I'm gonna put everything in wrap with this type of paper. Looks like Easter, and that's all I got for Asher. I think he will have so much fun. I'm planning to do a traditional Brazilian Easter that I'm gonna vlog for you guys, so you guys can take a look how it say Easter in Brazil. It's a very small celebration because we don't really have much family around, but it's probably just gonna be me, Asher, and TJ, and Cheiro. But it's more about the food, so I am going to vlog this day too. And I wish you guys have a amazing and blessed Easter. Remember about the meaning of Easter. We are in the situation in this world that everything is kind of messed up, but don't lose hope and keep praying. I hope you guys enjoy this family holiday. It's not only about chocolate and bunnies and eggs and all that. It's family, it's a love, it's support, it's praying, and also be grateful and thankful for your life and everything that we have, and for Jesus, of course. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna give you guys update also about my pregnancy. I have tons of videos that I have to make. I'm feeling much better right now. Nausea is kind of settled down, and I feel I am back to life. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to check Ana video, our collaboration together. I bet she has tons of ideas for you guys. If you're not for this year, still have time for next year, you know. And thank you so much for watching. Happy Easter. Bye bye.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your